Well, no matter the size of your closet, there are still lots of tricks to organizing it. Fashion stylist Alexis Honce joins us this morning with ideas to rethink your own space. Is that a closet that you're in right now?
I'm at a showroom. I'm actually a
Okay.
California closet. I called in a favor today. My closet is a little bit smaller. But yeah, I just thought let's start somewhere beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. So if we don't have a closet that big or that beautiful, what's your number one tip?
Okay, so whenever I go into a client's closet, the first thing I try to do is maximize your horizontal hanging space, and you're actually going to use this little tool here to hang clothes vertically. So I found this product on Amazon, and it actually increases your hanging space by 3 times. All you do is, like you're seeing there, you just clip it onto a hanger, and it has 3 other spots for your clothing to hang. So it's all going to hang nice and vertically. You're going to get a ton of room out of this. My thing here, though, is when you are hanging it vertically, you're going to be able to pack a lot more clothes into your closet. So I want you to color coordinate your closet when you're hanging, and I want you to categorize like items together. So you saw all my white shirts together. That way you can find it easily in the morning.
Okay, because that's the whole gist of this segment, right? Is to get it, so that you're not spending this hours like, what have I got? And then you really don't wear all the clothes that you have if you do that.
I like to see everything in the closet, and it's all about making it really efficient, but also beautiful. You know, as a stylist, you want to walk in your closet and love what you see every morning.
Yes, yes. What about shelf dividers?
Okay, shelf dividers are like my favorite thing since I started using them. So you can get a pack of 4 probably at like Walmart or Bed Bath & Beyond, something like that. No installation. They just literally slide onto a shelf you already have. So there's no installation there. And they keep everything that you're folding. So your shelves are going to stay perfectly organized. So I like to fold knits. You can go right up high. If you pull one out, they're not going to all topple over and make a mess. You can fold pants this way as well. Another favorite thing I love to use shelf dividers for are clutches and purses because they keep them upright. So instead of them falling over time and they kind of lose their shape, they keep everything looking perfect. And I kind of think that they look like a retail store. So I love to introduce this to every closet that I'm helping as well.
That's a great thing too with purses because that way when you pull one out, the whole thing doesn't just topple over. Great idea. You've got bins and boxes as well.
Okay, well, that's for sure, I think, on everybody's list is stylish bins and boxes. So I usually go to like HomeSense for this type of thing, and you get creative. Don't just go to the wardrobe department. You can find really cool bins and boxes, like even in the office department. But I want you to categorize and organize. So I like to keep out of season items in high up places on the closet as well. So out of reach, they don't actually take up your real estate right in front of you. Bathing suits that you see there, kind of one and done items, and belts as well. You know that if belts are in a shelf, they're going to be all over the place. So it keeps it really organized when they're in their own bin. And the last one you saw there, really important, is have a bin in the bottom of your closet where you keep your extra hangers. Because you know when you pull them out, they stick out, they look messy, and you can't find them when you're trying to rehang your clothes. So just keep a bin at the bottom of your closet for your empty hangers.
That's a great tip because then, and then it's not wasting space on the rod either.
Totally, 100%. And that one I actually learned from Marilyn Dennis. I'm going to give her a shout out.
Okay, okay, what about rethinking your closet design?
This one's so important. So even as a stylist, I've been in the business so long, I never actually got a custom design. So earlier in the year, I hired California Closets to do mine. And you're going to see this is footage of my actual closet. They took me from 5 feet of hanging space and they gave me 12 feet. So they really work with you to look at your wardrobe. I like to hang things, so that's why we kind of maximize that. But they just think, do you have a lot of accessories? They got gorgeous accessory drawers, a valet bar there that you're seeing. I like to put an outfit out the night before because I'm a busy mama too. Saves me about 20 minutes. And then what really blew my mind, I don't have a lot of floor space. So they actually installed this laundry hamper. Looks like a drawer. Looks amazing, keeps everything really organized, and doesn't take up any floor space. So they look at your budget, your lifestyle, and your wardrobe. There's something for everybody.
Okay. Oh, I want to live in your closet. It's beautiful. Even as small, it's not, it's not the size, right? It's a beautiful small closet. Really, really,
small,
yeah. Okay, Alexis, I'm going to go and rethink my own closet after this.
Well, thank you. Yeah, you need a couple hours. You need a glass of wine and maybe a friend
like
to
that
help
idea.
you and have fun with it.
Okay, we'll get your socials up on our website, chch.com.
Thanks for having me.